If you want to view a screenshot that displays page elements that aren't visible in the current screenshot, click on Change Screenshot in the toolbar. Then you can browse through the screenshots available and find one that meets your needs. For example, this pop-up doesn't appear in all screenshots, so you can look for the screenshot that includes the page element you're looking for. So you can click on View Click Data. Here's an example of a heat map showing data for an element that isn't on the actual screenshot. So after you select your page, click on the area in the top toolbar and you'll see a heat map that groups the clicks according to areas on the page. So above the fold, we can see some clicks that occur, but as we scroll down, we see this area is probably for the pop-up that occurs. There's a call to action to download a free resource, so that's what that corresponds to. If you want more content on working with digital marketing, audience, customer, or user data, subscribe to the channel.